Good day, my amazing viewers. Welcome back once again to Pig Farming Academy. If you have been following this channel, you already know me through pig farming, and that is because I've been able to share my experiences in the pig farming world with you. I've been able to create videos regarding the feeding sector, the breeding sector, and so many other sectors in the pig farming world. I've equally been able to write a book detailing the challenges I faced in the pig farming business and the strategies I employ to solve these challenges, which is the pig farmer's journey. The link is in the description box of this video. But then again, I've come to realize that the problem that most pig farmers face in the pig farming business cannot be solved alone by education. That technology needs to be embedded with what? Agriculture. And that is why I've made the decision to go into software development. Not just to learn how to code, but to be able to create an application that will help pig farmers to track their drug routine, the vaccination program, the feeding routine, the breeding records, and other important activities that go on in the farm. This will enable pig farming to become much more easy and much more effective. So this is the sole purpose of me going into software development. So today being the first day of this journey, I've been able to install the GIT app. I've equally been able to create an account on the GIT Hub. I've been able to install the Visual Studio Code where I code. I've equally been able to build my first web page using the HTML language, right? So I know that this journey is not going to be an easy one. There will be moments of mistakes, frustrations, failure, and all those things. There will equally be moments of success. So I'm willing to share this journey. I'm willing to document this journey on this YouTube channel to carry you guys along, so that you guys can see the steps until when I get to achieve this purpose. So guys, so if you are still into this amazing channel, make sure you subscribe and equally follow through the comment section. Get to see how we get to do it. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link of my WhatsApp community in the description box of this video, so make sure you join and equally get a copy of the Pig Farmer's Journey. So guys, see you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you very much.